resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Have you ever heard this saying, किताबें भी बोलती हैं? And here we are. Hello friends, this is Shreyans Kothari and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of Shant Academy. Friends, in this channel, what we generally do, we usually put the video solution of many books, various books published by Shant publication. Generally, we follow a simple pattern. What is that pattern? In that pattern, what we do is we try to make you understand the whole concept, the basic concept behind the topic. We go chapter by chapter, and once the topic is clear, when the concept is clear, we'll do some of the questions from the book itself, and we do it for all the chapters in the book. And I tell you, you can see this chapter standalone as well. From the book, you just scan the QR code and here you are. The chapters can be seen standalone as well, because in this video, we have cleared the whole topic. And talking about this book, I tell you, this is the book for quantitative aptitude. This is the most comprehensive book available in the market in the country for quantitative aptitude. You name an exam, say for example UPSC exams, you tell banking exam, SSC exam, railways exam, defense exam, NDA, CDS, any exam, even campus recruitments, MBAs, all the exams are covered. This book is full of questions from previous year, mock questions, and a lot of questions. So you can see this as a whole question bank for quantitative aptitude and most researched book, most updated book for you all. So why wait? Here we go to the chapters. So here we go with the chapter, that is chapter number 12, profit and loss. In life we have profit and loss all the time. In business we have profit and loss all the time. And profit and loss is part of life, I guess. कभी उतार, कभी चढ़ाव, बहुत सारी जगह पे हर आदमी हर चीज में profit and loss ढूंढने लग जाता है. Now we are here concerned with the profit and loss. एग्जाम में कैसे आएगा, क्या करना है वहां पे, कैसे इसको समझना है. Yes, we are there. So अभी लिए चलते हैं आपको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस चैप्टर पे. ये भी को पहले बेसिक फॉर्मूला एज हमारा पैटर्न बना हुआ है, आगे भी चलता रहेगा टिल लास्ट. द पैटर्न विल बी लाइक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. समझ लीजिए कैसे हम कोई चीज को करते हैं, वो अच्छे से मैं समझा देता हूं. राइट, हियर वी हैव प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. राइट, कॉस्ट प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस का मतलब है द प्राइस एट विच एन आर्टिकल इज परचेज्ड is called as cost price, abbreviated as CP. CP का मतलब हो गया जिस रेट पे, जिस प्राइस पे आपने आर्टिकल खरीदा है, that is known as cost price, उसको CP कहते हैं. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold, obviously नाम से ही कह रहा है selling price, so sell करने वाली प्राइस. So cost price जो आपने जिस रेट पे खरीदा है, selling price जिस रेट पे बेचा है, that is known as selling price, is known as and abbreviated at SP. Profit or gain. See, if CP is greater than SP, SP is greater than CP, कोई भी आइटम, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने उसको सस्ते में खरीदा एंड उसको महंगे में बेचूंगा, तभी तो प्रॉफिट होगा. अगर मैंने कोई चीज महंगी ली है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बहुत सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल लेता हूं. इफ आई परचेज समथिंग इन 80 rupees एंड आई सेल यू इन 100 rupees, देन आई हैव प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20 rupees. वेरी बेसिक थिंग. इफ आई परचेज समथिंग इन 100 rupees एंड आई सेल यू इन 80 rupees, how is it? It will be a loss. Basic दिमाग में रखो. 100 में लिया, 80 में दिया, loss. 100 में लिया, 120 में दिया, profit. Right? So it is said that if SP is greater than CP, selling price is greater than cost price, the seller is said to have profit or gain. Definitely होगा. जब आप कोई चीज लेोगे सस्ते में, बेचोगे महंगे में, तभी तो आपका प्रॉफिट मिलेगा और उसी को प्रॉफिट कहते हैं. But if SP is less than CP, अगर selling price सस्ता हो गया तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा seller to have loss incurred, right? Now what is the formula? Let's see. बहुत simple है, basic है. If SP is greater than CP, obviously gain SP minus CP. If it is CP is greater than SP, obviously loss, right? आप तो एक ही फॉर्मूला याद रखो बॉस, SP में से CP घटाना है. अगर ये पॉजिटिव आया तो गेन है, अगर ये नेगेटिव आया तो लॉस है. दैट्स इट. हमेशा एसपी में से सीपी घटाना. दैट्स इट. वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट सीपी फ्रॉम एसपी. दैट इज इट. मूव ऑन टू थर्ड पार्ट. लॉस और गेन इज ऑलवेज रेकर्ड ऑन सीपी. जो भी लॉस होगा या प्रॉफिट होगा वो कॉस्ट प्राइस पे ही देखा जाएगा. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज कॉस्ट प्राइस इज आपकी कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो आपको जो कॉस्ट प्राइस पड़ी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस को हमेशा देखेंगे. गेन परसेंटेज, नाउ जैसे हमने अभी कहा कि इट विल बी ओनली ऑन सीपी, सो यू कैन सी दैट व्हाट इज गेन परसेंट. गेन into 100 divide by CP because this always be reckoned on CP. CP पर ही लेना है. In the same way, if it is a profit, that means it will be, if it is a loss, that means loss percentage is loss into 100 divided by CP. So if it is loss, it will be on CP. If it is profit, it will be on CP. भाई SP तो मालूम ही नहीं ना कितना बेचा, कितने में बेचने वाले थे, क्या होने वाला था. SP can vary, but CP is fixed. So always reckoned on CP, right? Let's move on to the next part. Now, in that way, अगर आपको गेन दे रखा है, CP दे रखा है, तो आप SP निकाल सकते हो. 100 plus gain percent divide by 100 into CP will be gain. In the similar way, SP निकालना है loss से, 100 minus loss by 100 into CP, that will be selling price. So CP loss or gain will be reckoned on CP. Let's move away, move forward for the next question, right? Now this theory says what is CP. So CP को अगर मुझे लेना है, obviously जो SP वाला फॉर्मूला पीछे लिखा था ना उसको हमने रिवर्स करके यहाँ लिख दिया. वो 100 प्लस गेन डिवाइड बाय 100 था, अगर इसको ऐसे कर देंगे तो 100 अपॉन दिस आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली CP भी निकाल लेंगे, राइट. नाउ यू नीड टू लर्न 2-3 थिंग्स. इफ एन आर्टिकल sold at a gain, say for example 35%, then SP is 135% of CP. Very important to remember. Percentage का basic concept है. If article, say for example, is sold at 35% gain, that means SP, the selling price, will be 135% of CP. CP का 135%, right? What about if an article is sold at a loss, say for example 35%, that means 65, 100 minus 6. See, basic क्या बोल रहा है? Just consider this कि आपको CP 100 मानना है. So SP कितना होएगा? 135. अगर आपको CP 100 मानना है, लॉस हो गया तो SP कितना, CP कितना हो जाएगा? SP कितना हो जाएगा? 65. That's it. So 100 को कंसिडर करते हुए आप निकाल सकते हैं. When a person sells two similar items, एक गेन पे X% के, एक लॉस के X% पे, whatever the item is, दो सिमिलर आइटम थे, एक को एक X के लॉस पे बेचा, एक को प्रॉफिट पे बेचा. परसेंटेज. When the seller always incurs a loss given by, अगर ऐसा होगा तो डेफिनेटली लॉस ही होगा. अगर ऐसा होगा तो लॉस ही होगा. कॉमन लॉस एंड गेन परसेंटेज, व्हाटएवर इज लाइक लॉस और गेन, डिवाइड बाय 10, दैट मींस X by 10. जो भी X परसेंटेज था, X by 10 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज इट. लॉस बताया है कितना होगा? X by 10 whole square. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price but uses a false weight, now false weight के क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आपने किसी को सामान दिया, देना था 1 किलो, उसको 900 ग्राम ही दिया, वो भी तो लॉस है, वो भी तो प्रॉफिट है. वो कैसा है, क्या करना है? सो दैट गेन परसेंट ऑब्वियसली प्रॉफिट ही है. एरर, कितने का एरर था? ट्रू वैल्यू माइनस एरर इनटू 100. आपने ट्रू वैल्यू में से जो एरर था वो हटा दो एंड एरर को उससे डिवाइड कर लो, you will get the gain percentage. So these are the formulas and there are some formulas in the books as well. What we require is just move on to the questions. So that practically let's move how to apply these all profit, loss, percentage, CP, SP, everything. So here we go. We have here with us question number 1 today. Two successive discounts of 8% and 12% are equal to the single discount of. See, successive discount. Say for example, I want to sell 100 rupees item, any item which I want to sell at 100 rupees. So if I say 8% discount, that means 100 minus 8, 100 minus 8 is 92. And successively 12 more. So 12 more, that is 88. Divide by 100. So this totally gone. Now let's do this 50 and do this 44. So what I'll do is 92 into 44. So we have got 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. We have got 8 here. We have got 6 and 8, that is 14 here. We have got 0 here and we have got 1 here. So 4048 divide by 50. So what we'll do is 4048 divide by 2, right? So divide by 50. So we have an option like just divide by 5. So here we got 10, here we got 8, then 0, then 48 is like 45, 9 times 0.5. So it will be like 80.95. So I have to sell this at 80.95 and the actual is like 100 rupees. So 100 minus 80.95 is equal to 19.05. So if I give 19.05% of discount altogether, it will be equal to successive of this. So is there any answer? 19.05? 05 or very much similar to 4. So here we go, 19.04. That's it. So question number 1, answer is B. So we move on to next question. Here we have Aman buys an article for 20% less than its value and sells for 20% more than its value. His gain or loss percent. Say for example, he bought the article price is 100 rupees. So he bought an article for 20% less. So he bought it for 80 rupees. Then its value and sell it for 20% more than its value. So he sold it at 120. So definitely there is a profit. But how much is the profit? We need to know. This profit will be calculated on this, right? So it will be like 120 minus 80. That means what? It is all on cost price. Cost price for Aman it was 80 rupees. So we can say that 40 by 80 into 100. So I guess it will be very much clear to you all that it will be like 2 times and it is like 10 times. So 100 by 2, it will be 100 by 2, that is 50%. Is there any option like 50% profit? Here it is. Question number 4, it is solved. So sometimes you think that 20% less, 20% more, from the option like maybe no profit, no loss, or less than 25%, more than 25% loss. But how come it is 50% profit? So what you need to do is solve the question. First solve the question and then predict whatever you want to predict. Here we go. We move on to the next question. Question number 11. If a stall sells a pizza at 200 rupees, okay, so this is the selling price, makes 20% loss. If he wants to make 10% profit, then at what price it should be? So 20% loss and that 20% is on CP, right? So if you remember, we had a formula that CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So what we'll do is, we'll have this 100. Now 100 minus loss is like 20%. So 100 minus 20 is 80 and SP is 200, right? So we get cancel here, we get 4 here, we get 10 here. Now we get 4 here and 25 here. So the CP is equal to 250. Now if he wants to add 10% profit, so the profit 10% is like 25. 25 ka 10%, 10% of 250, right? So 10 by 100 into 250, that will be like 25 rupees. So if we want to want a 10% profit, we will add 10%, that is 25. We got 5 here, we got 7 here and 2 here. So if the pizza stall sells pizza on 275 rupees, it will be 10% profit, otherwise it is a loss. So 275, is there any option? Yes, it is. Here we go. Let's go do the next question. Okay, question number 13. The difference between cost price and selling price is rupees 221. The difference between cost price and selling price is 221. If the profit percent is 17% and that profit percent is 17%, then what is the selling price? See, it is for sure that this 221 is basically the difference between the cost price and the selling price. And if it is a profit percent, that means profit is equal to 221. So if profit is 221, that means it is 17% of something. So x into 1.17 is equal to 221. Why so? Because say for example it was CP and 17% was profit. So 17% was profit, that means when we multiply 1.17, 1 is for x and 17% extra. So 1.17 when multiplied with the CP, it will give you the profit is 221. Now this profit is 221 and this profit is 17%, right? So 17% profit means, say for example CP into 17%, that will be 221 because that is the only profit. So profit is given, profit percentage is given. What we'll do? Let's see. We have CP is equal to 221 into 100 divide by 17. So let's divide this 17 to 1. So we have got 1 times 17 here. Now we have got 3 and 2, 5. So 51. 3 times. So we have got 13 times here. So the CP, that is cost price, is equal to 1300. Now this is 1300 is the cost price, and the question asked is selling price. So if you want the selling price, just add the profit to it. The profit was given 221. So if we add 1300 and 221, we'll get 1521. That is the cost price of a selling price of this product, right? So answer is 1521. Is there any option? Yes, we do have that option, right? Let's move on to the other question. Question number 14. Selling price of fan is 4644. SP is given. If profit percent is 29%, then what is the cost price? So SP is given. Profit is given. If you remember, SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage, that will be the CP. So directly question asked, directly you can do. SP is 4644 into 100 and that is 29%. So we have got 100 plus 29. So here we have 129 4644 into 100, right? Now you just need to divide this by this. So let's simplify it. Okay, where you go? We have 4 times and 3 times. That is, I divide it by 3 times. 129 divided by 3. So 4644 divided by 3. We cancel out with the 3. So we have got 4 as 1, 16 as 5, then 1, 14, 14 as 12 is 4, then 24, 8. Right. So I got 1548 into 100. So just divide this 43, 1548, right? So 43 into 3. 43 into 3, let's see, it is like 43 into 3, 444, that is 120 and 3 is 129. So here we go 129, right? We have got, so 14 minus 9 is 5, we have got 4, 14 minus 2 is 2, we got 258. So 258, 129 into 2. So here got 36 and we have got 258. So here it is 36. So it will bring us 3600. Now this is the CP, my friend. This is the CP. Is there any option like 3600? Yes, we do have 3600. Here we go. We have this question. Now let's do the another question. Here we go. We go at 21. We have 21 there. Let's see what does it say. 21, question number 21. The cost price of an article is this. So the CP is equal to 1800. That is given. If the profit is this, what is SP? So I think it is not a big deal for you. You will do it very easily. So CP, we just want to calculate SP, right? So SP is what? Basically, if you remember that 1800 into 132% will be the SP. Why so? Because 32% is the profit. That profit is of CP. So CP into 32% plus 3200. So it will be like that only. So we have got 0 से 0 cancel हो गया. Now 18 को 132 से multiply करना है. So we have 18 here. We have 132 here. So 8 into 2 is 6. 8 into 3 is like 24, 25, 1056. We have got 2, 3, 1. So we have got 6, 7, 3, 2. So 2376. 2376 is the actually SP. So I don't think this is a big challenge for you. It is a very easy question. The only thing is you need to understand what is SP, what is CP, what is profit percentage, and what are the different relations between them. If you know the relations, if you do know all the things, question is very easy. Let's move on to the other question. Here we go. Question number 26. Okay. 26 says that in a transaction, a shopkeeper examines a profit of 400% at the cost price. If the cost price increases by 100%, the selling price remains the same. What is the ratio between new profit and selling price? Say for example, a shopkeeper examines a profit of 400%, right? So let's say the initial cost price will be 100 rupees. So the new price, that means selling price, becomes 400 plus 100. That is 500, right? This is the new selling price. If the cost price increases by 100%, so 100 becomes 200. And we have the cost selling price is 500 still. Great, no issues. What is the ratio between new profit and the selling price? So new profit will be 300 rupees. And the selling price, that is 500. So you need to know the ratio. Ratio will be like 300, that is the new profit. 500, that is the actual selling price. So we have got 3:5. Is there any option 3:5? Here we go. So done. So you need to understand what is question saying. Because if question you understand, then only it will be easy for you to answer. Here we go. Question number 28. The selling price of an article is 8 by 7 of cost price. So selling price is equal to 8 by 7 of cost price. What is the profit percentage? So profit percentage is very simple. So profit percent will be like SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. That will be the profit percentage, right? So SP minus CP. SP is given 8 by 7 CP. So 8 by 7 CP minus CP divided by CP into 100. So 8 by 7 CP. What is 8 by 7 CP? So 7 here minus 1. So 1 by 7 CP, right? Because 8 by 7, 8 minus 7. See, we'll take 7 as LCM. So we have got 8 minus 1 CP divided by CP into 100. CP gets cancelled. 8 minus 1 is 1. So 100 by 7 percentage. What does that mean? That means 100 here, 7 here. So 7 ones are 7, we got 3. 7 fours are 28. And we have got 2 and then 0. So 0.1. So 14%. It is approximately 14%. No, not that like that. If it is 100 by 7, that is only us, 100 by 7. So 100 by 7 is this. So question number 28 is D, right? So in this way, you need to do all the questions, right? What I'm doing is just applying the formula, just applying all the concept in all the questions. So let's move on to the next question. Here we go. Question number 43. What does it say? Aditya trader sells an item to a retailer at 20% discount but charges 10% on the discounted price. What does it say? It says that आदित्य एक चीज को एक आइटम को बेचता है 20% डिस्काउंट पे एंड दैट 20% डिस्काउंट पे हम वो चार्ज करते हैं 10% एंड दैट ऑन द नेम ऑफ डिलीवरी एंड पैकेजिंग. Now the retailer sells it at 2046. So the final selling price is 2046, thereby earning a profit of 25%. So he earns a 25% profit, right? So what is the trader's marked price? Say marked price, right? Say for example, we consider that as 100x. Marked price is 100x, right? So if that 100x is sold at 20% discount, so 100 minus 20% discount is like 80x. But 80x charges 10% on discounted price for the delivery and packages. 10% on this. So 80x plus 10% of x is 88x, right? It will be like 88x. Why so? Because 10% of 80 is 8. So 80 plus 8 is 88x. So what is given is the retailer sells it for 2046 more is basically 25%. Because that is 2046 more, not at 2046. वो 2046 यानी 2046 rupees में नहीं बेच रहा है. That is the actual 25% profit, right? So this profit is on 88x, right? So what we have got is we have 88x into its 25%. So 25 by 100 is equal to 2046. Actually, it is like this. Why so? Because this 25% is the profit and the retail sells it for 2046 more. That more money is only profit, right? So here we get 4 here and we got 22x, right? So x is equal to what? X is equal to 2046 divided by 22, right? So 22 is like 11 2 ja. Here it is like 1 time 20, so we got 11. 94 is 8 times, so we got 8 here. Now 84, sorry 94 is 6, so 6. So we have got 186 by 2. 186 by 2 will be like 93. So now we have arrived at x is equal to 93. Now this x is equal to 93. What is the mark price? If you remember, the mark price was 100x. So 100 into x, 100 into 93. So it will be 9300. That is the final answer. Is there any option 9300? Yes, we do have. Here we go. So you need to understand the question properly. If you don't understand the question properly, you will be like goal, booming and no answer coming. So you need to understand first thing. Now the second thing is you must read the question properly. If you did not read this one, if you don't read this one, for sure you are going to do some mistakes. So mistakes and again do, mistake and again do. So it is better to think is like just read the question properly, understand it properly, comprehend it properly and put it into values. If all the values are correct, you just simplify and you get the answer. Here we go with the next question. Question number 48. Let's see what does it say. It says that a marked price is 10% higher than the cost price. Marked price is 10% higher than the cost price. A discount of 10% is given to the market price. This kind of sale the seller is, I guess, very easy. Just consider this as 100. So 100 plus marked price. Marked price is 10% higher. So you get 10% more. So 10% more means you got 110 rupees. Now in that 110 rupees, you give 10% discount, right? So 110 minus 110 into 10%, right? So 0 got 0, so 11. So that is 99. So something which was 100 rupees earlier, you sold it to 99. See, this is actually the cost price. This is the selling price. Because you add 10%, you less 10%. So 100 minus 99 is a loss of 1%. Here we go. This is the answer, my dear friend. Question number 48, answer is D. So let's move on to the next question. Here we go. Here we have Raza purchased a bicycle for 6810 and he had paid a VAT of 13.5. So VAT is 13.5, the list price of this. So VAT is what? VAT is value added tax, and that tax is on the CP, you can say SP actually. So the final price is 6810. Now this is basically what? Whatever the marked price is, marked price, right? List price you can say, plus 13.5 of MP. Why? 13.5% of MP. So mark price plus the 13.5% of mark price is equal to 6810. So what we'll do? We will add something like that. So 100 MP plus 13.5 mark price is equal to 6810 into 100. What we did, 100, we had multiply all the equation, the whole equation by 100. So we have got 113.5 mark price is equal to 6810 into 100. So we have got mark price, that is list price, is equal to 6810 into 100 divided by 113.5. Now let's calculate this and you are with the answer. So this point, I guess I'll put 10 over there. Now let's divide very easily. So we'll do like 5 times. So 11, 3, 5. So 11 is 2 times. 13 is 2 times. 35 is 7 times, right? We'll do that 2 times. Now 227. 227 by any charge 681. What is 227 into 3? 7, 3, 21. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. We got 8 here. 3 2s are 6, 681. Yes, we have. Why did I do that? Because I thought that this is like almost 3 times and 7 3s are 21. So it is almost 21. So I thought maybe there is something between them. So what we'll do is just cut that 30 times. Now we have got 30 into 2, that is 60. 60 and we have got 2 zeros. So 6,000 is the list price or the mark price. Is there any option 6,000 in the question? Yes, we do have, and that is the answer. So this way you need to do. Just easily calculate everything. Easily simplify. Don't be panic when you see a big calculation. Okay, अब कौन करेगा? अरे boss, अपन करेंगे, बहुत आराम से करेंगे, simplified way में करेंगे. Here we go to the next question. Here we are, question number 55. Okay, so Srinivas sold an article for this. Now SP is given and let's suppose this is CP. So what is loss? Loss, as we all know, it is always like SP minus the CP part. So this is the loss. And what is the profit? Profit is equal to 7850 minus that loss, minus that CP. So 7850 minus X, right? Now it is said that this profit is equal to the half of the loss. So 7850 minus X divided by 2 is 6800 minus X. What is said? This profit have been equal to the half is there, right? So just multiply this by 2. Let's do it. It will be like 2 into 7850. So 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16, 1 17, 2 7s are 14 and 1 15. 15700 minus 2x is equal to 6800 minus x. So this minus 2x comes at plus 2x. This 6800 goes here. So we have got 15700 minus 6800 is equal to 2x minus x is x. So we will get x is equal to, just calculate this fast. We have got zeros, 2 zeros there. Then we got 17 minus 8 is 9. We have got 14 minus 6, that is 8. So x is 8900. So what is asked? If the cost price is asked, then it is this. At what price should we sell the article to a 20% profit? So now we need a 20% profit. So when it is a 20% profit, that means it must be multiplied by 100 plus 20. That is 120 divided by 100. So 120 divided by 100 is 1.2. So what we'll do is 8900 into 120 by 100. So we get zeros cancel out here. So we have got 89 and we got 120. Right? 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 18, 1, 9 ones are 9 and 10. 1080. 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16, 1, 8 ones are 8 and 1 9. We have got 0, 8, 6, 10680. This is the 20% profit. So is there any option like 10680? Yes, we have 10680 as our answer. So sometimes it happens like it is 9,000, 75,000, it's 9,600. The student starts thinking that okay, this cannot be answered because all are in the range of 9,000 or less. But you never know. Just calculate for the answer and get the answer. That is the best strategy. We move on to the next question. Here we go. Question number 58 for you all. Let's see what does it say. It says that the sale price of an article including the sales tax of this. The rate of sales tax is 10%. Great. The shopkeeper has made a profit of 12%, then the cost price of article is this. So the sale price of an article including the sales tax is this. So sales price is 1232, right? So 1232 and it is included the sales tax, right? So 10% of x plus x. When you add x plus 10% of x, that will be 1232, right? So let's calculate this first. X 1.11232. So x is equal to, point remove and we have got 10 here. Now 11 say like 12. So 12 is one time. We got 13 again one time. Then we got 22. So 22. And when we multiply 112 by 10 is equal to 1120. That is the price. And this price is inclusive of profit. And that profit is 12%, right? So 12% is included in this. Now again the same thing. Now I want to calculate cost price. Cost price will be 1.12. 1.12 is equal to 1120. Why 1.12? Because the 12% is profit. Added to CP will be the actual price, right? So let's calculate this. CP is equal to 1120 divided by 1.12. So just multiply it by 100. Now 1 is like 10. So 1000 rupees is the actually. So 1000 rupees is the actual cost price. When added with the profit, it will be like 1120. When added with the tax, it will become 1232. So final cost is like this. So this is the actual cost price. We move on to the next question. Here we go. Rakesh purchased a mobile phone for 5,000, right? And a refrigerator for 9,600. He sold the mobile at 3/4 of its cost and refrigerate at 1 by 1 by 3 of its cost price. What was the total profit, right? Just calculate, I don't think there will be an issue. So total cost price, first we need the total cost price. Total cost price will be 9600 plus 5400, that comes out to be 15,000. So he just spent 15,000. Now Rakesh purchased in this and for sold the mobile, so 5400, sold the mobile at the 3/4 of its cost, so 3 by 4, and the refrigerator is 1 by 1 3. So refrigerator was 9600 into 1 by 1 3. 1 by 1 3 is 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 at 4 by 3. Now let's see what exactly it is. We have got 4 over cancel over here, so 1 4 like 1 time, 14 is like 3 times, 20 is 5 times, so 1350 here, right? And let's calculate this, so it will be like 3200 because 3 times 2 times. So just 1350 when multiplied by 3, so 0, 3 5s are 15, we get 1, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, we got 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4050 plus what is this, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, so 1280 plus 4050, just add them both, 4050, so 0 here, 5 here, 8 here, 6 here, 16850, right? Now 16850 is the selling price and 15,000 as it is like 16850. So 16850 is the selling price and 15,000 is the cost price. So we have got 5, 8, 1850 of total profit he has got. So what is the profit? It is 1850 given as the question. So a very beautiful question. Once you think that 3/4 he sold the mobile, so it will be a loss, but it is a huge profit. Like 1850 on 1500 is a good, 15,000 is a good profit. We move on to the next question. Here we go. Question number 73. What does it say? Mohan Lal purchased a TV set for 12,500. Spent 300 on the transportation and 800 on the installation. At what price should he sell it so that earn overall profit of 15%, right? So first thing is CP is like 12500. Add transportation to it and add installation to it. We got 0 0. Then we have got 5 3 8 and 8 16. We got 1 here. So we got 13600. Now profit is 15%. So you know it very well. If you multiply it by 1.15, again why 1.15? Because we want a profit of 15 rupees. So it's like 115 divided by 100. So we got 1.15. Now what to do? Do just one thing. Put zeros here, so they are getting cancelled. Now 115 and 136. 136, 115. Just multiply it fast. 5 6 are 33. 5 3s are 15 and 8. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. 6 3 1. 6 3 1. Let's see. Here got 0, 8 and 6 is 4. Carry 1. 6 and 6 12 and 1 13 and 3 16. 1 3 and 1 4 and 1 5. And it will be like 15640. 15640. 15640. Is there any option like 153640? It is like 15640. It is 15460. So very similar answers are given deliberately, but answer is none of these because we didn't find our answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Okay, question number 80. What does it say? So by selling an article of 100 rupees, say for example, this 100 rupees is SP and the gain is 15. So when I subtract the gain from selling price, it will be CP. So CP will be 85, right? Now this CP is 85 and we have gain percentage is on CP. So gain divide by CP into 100 is the CP, that is gain percent. So what I'll do is 15 3 times, then 85 is, so 17 times. So now it is 300 divide by 17. Why so? Because 3 into 100 is 300 into 17. So we'll do is like 1 times 17, we have got 13, 0. So 17 into 7 is 119. So we go 1 here, then 3 is like 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1 here. So we have got 17 here, we got 11 here and 17 here. Now answer is not in decimal. So we'll stop here. Like why so? Because it is like 17 times and 11 by 17. So 11 by 17 is there. So we have got 17 as a quotient and 11 as a remainder and 17 there. So 17, 11 by 17. That is the answer. Just dividing 2 times. That is it. So here we go. So here we go. Question number 106. Let's see what does it say. It says that at what profit percentage must an article be sold that by selling at half the price there may be loss of 30%, right? So say for example, the selling price is X. So the new selling price will be X by 2 because half that price, selling that half at price, and we have got 30% of loss, right? So by selling X by 2, it will be a loss of 30%, right? We know a formula for CP. CP is equal to what? CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus the loss. What is the loss? 30% into SP, and that SP is X by 2, right? So what does it say? It says that 100 by 70 into X by 2. So we got 50 here, we got 0, got cancel here. So finally we have got 5x by 7. You got 5x by 7, right? Now 5x by 7 is CP and SP is X, this X. So what is the profit? Profit will be, profit is what? Profit is SP minus CP. So actual X and minus CP is 5x by 7. So we have got 7x minus 5x by 7. So we have got 2x by 7. So this is profit, this is CP. So what is the profit percentage, right? Profit percentage is, you know, profit, that is 2x by 7 divide by CP. CP is like 5x by 7 by 5x by 7 into 100. That will be the profit percentage. Profit by CP into 100. So we got x to x cancel, 7 to 7 cancel, 5 into 2, 0, that is 20. So 20 into 2 is 40. So 40% profit. If the person sells at 40% profit, then he will get what he wants. So is there any option like 40%? Yes, we do have 40%. And that is the answer, my friend. So in this way, you need to do all the questions. Let's do a couple of questions and then we'll move to data sufficiency part. So let's move on to the next question. Here we go. We have question number 176. What does it say? Prateek sold a music system to Karthik at 20% gain and Karthik sold it to Swastik at 40% gain. If Swastik paid 10500 for the music system, so this Swastik paid 10500. The say for example, the cost price, right? The cost price be X. So we know that it was like 120%, so 120 by 100 of, so the 40%. 140 by 100 of X is equal to 10500 because it was sold at 20% profit plus 40% profit and the final cost was this. So let's calculate this first. We have got 0 and 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel, 12 into 14. So we need to calculate this 12 into 14 first. So 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 12, 4s is 48. So we get 4 here. 12 ones are 12 and 4 is like 168. So we have got 168x is equal to 10500 into 100. that 10 into 10 goes there and becomes 100, right? So we have with us x is equal to 10500 into 100 divided by 168. Just calculate this. We'll do it 3 times first. So 16 is 15 3 times, and then 18 is like 6 times. Here we do 3 times 9, so 3 times 9, 115 is like, because 15 is 5 times. So 5 we have, and we have got 0, 2 zeros, like 56 and 3500. So 56 like 2 times, it is like 28 here, and 30, do this like 50 here. Now this is 25, and this is 14, and this is 7, and this, my dear friend, 35. So it will be like 17.5. So 1750. Now what to do is 1750 into 25 divided by 7. Now let's divide this by 7. So we have got 2 times, that is now 35. 35 will be 5 times and 0. So 25 into 25 is 625. So we have got 6250. This is the actual cost price. So what is asked? Let's see what is asked. So it is asked that for the music system, what amount did Pratik pay for the same? So Pratik sold a music, so paid. So Pratik paid a 6250 at 6250. Pratik paid, and that is the final answer. So let's move on to one more question, and we'll do that, right? A shopkeeper sells 2 watches for 308. On one he gets 12% profit, and on the other he gets 12% loss. His profit or loss in the entire transaction. So what is the loss percent, right? If you remember, there was a formula in the starting that whatever, when you sell 2 similar items at same percent loss, same percent profit, just do one thing. It will be 12 square by 10. 12 by 10 square. If you remember, it was like loss or percentage by square. So it will be like 12 by 10. So we have got 6 by 5 by square. That is 36 by 25. So 36 by 25 will be like, what we'll do is 25 plus 11 divided by 25. So we have got 1 plus 11 by 25. Is there any option 1 plus 11 by 25? So here is the answer. So sometimes it is easier to use a formula and not to do the whole calculation, because otherwise you could have done the whole calculation. So in this way we come to an end of the chapter. But the chapter doesn't end here. The arithmetical part ends here. We'll do couple of questions for data sufficiency. As you all know, again and again we are doing data sufficiency just because they are here, and you must know it, that what exactly data sufficiency plays a role in your exam. See, if this type of question, data sufficiency question, comes in your exam, you just need one thing only. आपको question दे रखा है, आपको 2 data दे रखे हैं, आपको सिर्फ एक ही काम करना है, आपको उस data को अच्छे से समझना है. वो data आंसर लेके आएगा कि नहीं लेके आएगा, वही समझनी है बात. अगर वो आंसर लेके आता है, then it is a good data, data is sufficient. अगर वो आंसर नहीं लेके आता है, it is a bad data, not useful, right? So let's do some questions. So here we go. Question number 2, we have a shopkeeper sells some articles at the profit of 25%. So it is said that some articles, not one article, some articles at 25% on the original price. What is the exact amount of profit? We need to calculate the profit. Now sale price of the article. See, if I get the sale price of article, it is good. But how many articles we have sold? Without knowing that, we cannot do that. So second is number of articles sold. So 1 and 2 both are required. Why both are required? Because if we know both of them, then only we can find the profit, because 25% is the profit percent. Some articles are sold, but how many articles are sold, we don't know. So without knowing both the things, we cannot go for the answer. So answer is D. Both first and second are necessary. Here we go. Question number 21 for you all. It is Bank PO 2008 question. How many articles were sold? The question is how many articles? Total profit is 1596. So what to do? cost price per article is this. We can't do anything. Nahin, we can do one thing. Total profit, no. Total profit cannot be done. Selling price per article, yes. So if selling price per article is given and profit earned is given, then we cannot do anything. Cost price is given per article, selling price is given, we can get the number of profit and the total profit is earned. So all the three are required. Without all the three, you cannot do anything. Why so? See, understand. I'll explain. See, profit earned, say for example, X money. Cost price, that is CP, and SP is this. So from CP and SP, we'll find this. We'll find the profit of 1. Profit of 1 when divided by this 1596 will give you the answer how many articles were sold. Because by getting only 1 or 3 or 2 or 3 won't make anything. So all the 3 are required. So in this way, generally we don't solve the questions of data sufficiency. We just try to find out that if the data is sufficient or not. That is it. We need to do that only. So in this way, we come to an end of the chapter profit and loss. I again say the same thing. You have to do 2 things for me. Just 2 things. One is spread the word. Spread all over that what this book's, the video solution is for. So please share to all of them, all your friends, so that this video gets viral in today's term. Second thing you need to do is what? You need to do all the questions remaining, because more than sufficient questions are given in the book for this particular chapter, like almost 300 aspas. So if you do all the questions of this, you will be master of this chapter, because generally I don't think any exam which comes with arithmetic and this profit and loss doesn't come. This chapter for sure comes, and if you do all the questions, you will get to know each and every type of questions. So with the help of this video solution and with the help of the book, you will be able to crack the code, that is crack the exam. So if you haven't subscribed yet, the channel is still open for you all. Subscribe it, press the bell icon.